Hi, so my name is Patrick, and this is going to be my setup for the 2025 Tour Divide. The bike is a Canyon Grizzle, carbon fiber frame. As for tires, I have Continental Race Kings, 27.5 by 2 inches. Wheels are the stock ones that came, DT Swiss, C1850 it says here. As for the drivetrain, I have a Shimano GRX 2x mechanical, running 4630 at the front, 11 to 40 at the back, and I'm also running a power meter from Power to Max. I currently have rotor cranks on it, 155 millimeters, and then I'm running Time XC6 pedals. I have the stock handlebar. I also have Profile Design aero bars just for comfort. I'm running 40 centimeter wide. Profile Design aero bars is the Legacy 2, I believe. Handlebars are wrapped with a Ergon, the gravel specific bar tape from Ergon. Yeah, stem is 70 millimeters, I think, and then it's just flipped upside down, just so I have more height on it. What else? The saddle or the seat post is aftermarket because I was kind of roughing up the other one that I have, so I decided to replace it. Got it off Facebook Marketplace, Easton EC70, I believe. And then the saddle is brand new. Ergon SR saddle, which is much comfortable, I find, than the old saddle I had, which was a Pro Stealth saddle. Okay, I think that's it for components of the bike. Let's go with the bags. So in front, I have an aero bar bag, just strapped. By the way, all of my bags I made myself, except for the rear one. The rear one I had to buy because I was not able to make it. But I have 3 bags that I made myself. I have an aero bar bag which contains things that could get wet. So that'll be my gloves, my tent, raincoat, extra gloves, leg warmers, and booties, like shoe covers. My front light is from Magic Shine. It's the RN3000. So it's very bright, lasts very long, has a big battery. Could also be used as a backup battery if my power bank runs out. My navigation or my tracking for track leaders would be the Garmin InReach Mini 2, which I just bought as well. My main GPS would be Garmin 1040 Solar. Yeah, and then the second bag that I have is a top tube bag. This would have all of my electronics, so my phone, my camera, which is a GoPro that I'm using right now. Also a power bank, and then extra storage for food, other stuff that I need to access really quickly. Bottom bag would have the tools that I need, so spare tubes, spare my multi-tool, tire levers, and then also extra brake pads. That's it. As for the rear, this would contain my sleep system, so this would have my sleeping bag, extra clothes, sleeping kit, so my sleeping clothes, and then extra clothes for the next day, just so I don't wear the same bibs every day. So I'm bringing 2 bibs with me and 2 jerseys, just so I can alternate them every day if I can't wash them. And then, so that's what this bag contains. And then on top of it, I strapped my sleeping pad, which is from Nemo, and then the tent poles that I have. And also I'll be wearing a hydration vest, which will carry about 3 liters of water. So my hydration vest will carry about 3 liters of water, 2 in the front, and then I will have a 2-liter bladder at the back. And then I'll also strap a light jacket here, just so I could have like an in-between layer when it's not that cold, but it's also not that wet. What else? 2 bottles here. This would be about 1.5 liters. And then yeah, I think that's it pretty much. So this will be my setup for the Tour Divide, which I'm hopefully doing in 18 days and probably a limit of 22 days. Hope to be back here by the beginning of July. So yeah, that's the setup pretty much. Thanks for watching.